Okay, I went ahead and did a test on the Equip Settlers, and I think the reason it might not be working for NG is the actual DLL isn't loading. Let me show you what I've got. Okay, so I do have Equip Settlers installed. I'll show you the version that I have. This is the one I just downloaded, and you can see that the Equip Settlers DLL is in yellow. That means the actual DLL is not from the actual mod. It's, or I don't know, the Equip Settlers mod. It's from the NG version, which is here. So if I was to actually do this, you can see that that is the one that is installed. And if you look up here, you can see the Equip Settlers DLL. See where it says it's not loading? This particular application this is the application that I wrote that I use to actually mod games. It's not quite ready. It's got a lot of debugging work to do. But when it's done, it'll be out there for everybody to kind of use, and then they can just change the source how they like. But you can see that it's not loading. That's what this orange thing is. So I can tell you that the trunks, I do have the trunks in the workshop menu. They drop just fine. The actual tape, the holotape, everything looks absolutely normal. But I don't believe it's going to work if the DLL isn't loading. And I've seen somebody else mention an NG version. They had an NG and they said that things are not equipping. So I believe that's the problem with F4SE loading this particular DLL. And this is the NG version. This is actually the NG version. If you look, you can see that, let's see where F4SE is. Let's go back over to here. And I believe I can show you the F4SE version. Let's see, the loader. It's probably what I would want to use, maybe. Let's do properties, and then let's take a look at details. So you can see it's the 7.2 version of the loader that I'm using, and this is NG. Everything that I play is NG. I don't have any OG stuff. Well, technically, if you look, that's not entirely true. Technically, if you look at the orange, you can see these are OG plugins that I wasn't sure if they would work. So this lets me know that these are OG plugins not loading in NG. So just wanted to show you this. It's easier for me to show you that the files are installed. The NG version is installed over here, but for some reason F4SE isn't loading. And what I do in this particular instance is I simply scan the F4SE log automatically, and then I look for where there is no reference, where it actually says like reference 0. So there is no actual memory reference to where the DLL was loaded in the memory. All right, so I hope that helps. And this is, like I say, this is why I think I've seen somebody else post where it wasn't loading, and I think that's why. So anyways, good luck with your program. Go with the mod, and I hope this helps.